gonna go on the dirt road now, guys. Let's have some fun. Let's see what the BRZ can do. Let's try not to scrape too much. But we're gonna go out here and check out some of the dirt Dry Creek area here. Yeah, so the first thing you've been lied to about the BRZ slash GR86 is that it is surprisingly capable. I used to have an FRS and I lived on a dirt road that I had to cross a creek to get to and from work. Yeah, I probably should have thought a little bit more about that before I bought my FRS. But the FRS was a champ. I would just send it into the creek and it would spin the tires a little bit, but overall it would get the job done. And that's the same here with the BRZ, and with the snow tires I have on it, it is surprisingly capable. So let's see if we can get over some more rocks out here. Yeah, with the smaller wheelbase is what makes it mostly more capable, because like even with the WRX, it's got such a longer wheelbase, it's hard to clear some of these little rocks or stumps or bumps or whatever. But the BRZ does so well because it's such a little car, it can kind of just wiggle its way around and get through some surprising stuff. I haven't actually taken it like on a actual trail. Here in Sedona, it's some of the rockiest terrain around, and I am on a Jeep's butt. I'm like right there behind a Jeep. So I think they're just bad drivers. I don't know what it is with Jeep people. Let's face it, guys, four-wheel drive is just more fun. Or let's face it, guys, two-wheel drive is just more fun. It's just more fun. And as far as practicality, it's basically a mini truck in the back of this thing. I can fold the rear seats back completely flat, and I fit 2 snowboards, all of our snowboarding gear, and we literally took a 5-hour road trip to Durango and back, 5 hours back from Flagstaff, Arizona. So this thing is plenty practical for a single person or a couple, or just a single or a couple with a dog like us. It can be done. And then you got the RTV issue. Everyone talks about the oil starvation, the RTV. That's why they don't get a BRZ. Guys, don't believe everything you hear on TikTok. Don't believe everything you hear on Reddit. Don't believe everything you hear on YouTube. These cars are super reliable. They're one of the most reliable sports cars you can get. Unless you're doing track days every single day, ripping it as hard as it can possibly be ripped, you're not gonna have to worry about a damn thing. Go buy yourself a BRZ. Stop withholding yourself of what you really want. There's gonna be a lot of TikTok dorks in the comments saying blah, 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 RTV. Don't listen to them. Go out and buy your own RTV and start your YouTube channel, then watch them comment on it. The BRZ and GR86 are definitely more fun and faster than a lot of people think they are. It's a super small car at like 2,200 pounds or something like that, and it makes about 238 horsepower. It's pretty good for what it is. You're not gonna win any drag races, but you will have a lot of fun driving this thing around, and that is where that price point is number one. I only paid $30,000 brand new for my awesome Subaru BRZ Premium 6-speed manual transmission. Really not trying to rush this video, but the boss man wants me to get back to work, so I gotta get back to work and quit messing around on YouTube. But yeah, guys, go get yourself a BRZ. A lot of the stuff you hear about them is total crap. The RTV issue, the practicality, the nimbleness, or not nimbleness, but There's a lot of bullcrap about cars out there that's just not gonna help you live the life you want to live. Go get what you want, really dive into it, and you'll understand what's real, what's not. Anyway, guys, hopefully you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, say what's up. Hopefully you guys are liking the BRZ content. Until next time, we will catch you from my break time here in Sedona, Arizona. Peace.